I'm here with the '09 Nissan Rogue all-wheel drive. It's the 4-cylinder model. I'm going to be replacing the fuel pump. Okay, one of the first things it says to do is we need the fuel pressure. So I'm going to take off the fuel cap. And disconnect the negative battery cable. Okay, the next thing I did, I had to remove the rear seat cushion. And under the panels here is the fuel pump. This one has the wire, so I'm assuming that's the one, but you use a screwdriver and you rotate these clamps here, these pins, and then the inspection cover comes off. Okay, now on this inspection cover, notice that these here are underneath this bracket. So what I used was a pair of pliers, and this one here came out turned easier than this one did, but I used a screwdriver and kind of pushed it along and got those two to turn. I think the pliers was easier on this one right here. And the screwdriver worked on these. You turn these and the inspection cover comes off, and there's the fuel pump. So next thing you want to do is take off the electrical connection and then disconnect that fuel pressure connection, the fuel line connector. Okay, here's with the electrical connector disconnected. This here, and the fuel line's been disconnected. So I'm going to take off the this ring here, and then remove the fuel pump. Okay, got the lock ring off. Here's the fuel pump. Here's the fuel pump removed. You disconnect that fuel line, that electrical connector right there, and make sure not to let them fall back into the fuel tank, especially if there's gas in there. But for this fuel line, it's a tab on there. You just push it down, pull that out. Push this tab here, you pull off the electrical connector, and remove the fuel pump. Finally got the fuel pump. I've made these two connections here. Now I'm going to drop it into the, put it into the fuel tank. The same position I took it out of. And then I'm going to install that lock ring that's next to it. Install that and tighten that down.